Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the WE Knives Caliber. This is an interesting knife. Now before I start with this overview, I'm going to preface this week, we're going to be taking a look at a lot of WE knives. We just got a bunch in stock. If you don't like WE knives or you don't like Chinese made knives in general, I don't care. Don't tell me in the comments. I don't care. If you're watching this on our website, I'm sorry you had to hear that. But let's get into the knife, shall we? 8.15 inches is the overall length. Blade length is 3.45 inches, and it is S35VN, an excellent steel choice, as you know. Blade length is 4.7 inches, and it is titanium on the inside with a carbon fiber insert right there. Very nicely done, by the way. It's a frame lock, and it has a lock bar insert and a flipper for excellent deployment. The detent is perfect on this one. Now, overall weight is 3.63 ounces. Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And it's got a pocket clip for tip-up right-handed carry. I believe you can flip this around. Don't take my word on that, but it looks like you could unscrew that glass breaker and flip it to the other side. So, there you have it, guys. If you like this knife or you want a different color, we do have another option available. So check it out on our website, bladehq.com. This is the WE Knives Caliber.